Wondering how to create your own consistent characters for your projects without spending a dime? You're not alone. While powerful tools like OpenAI's DALL-E and Midjourney have revolutionized the way we create AI images, they also come with a price tag. But what if I told you there's a way to bypass those subscription fees and still produce high-quality, consistent characters for free? Stick around as we take a look how to create consistent images using Tensor Art. Let's get started. First, we'll go to Google and then search for Tensor Art. Then select the first result that leads to tensor.art. Now we'll need to sign up for a free account using any of the sign-up options. Once sign up successful, we can select models from the left sidebar and then look through the available models to choose a style we would like to generate. For this demonstration, I will select 2.5D and then choose Enhanced, Alt TDNM 1.0. Here, we'll select Remix and then click Use Recommended on this pop-up to use the recommended generation data. This ensures that the negative prompts and other settings for the sample we selected are included in our project. Tensor Art gives you free 100 credits when you sign up with the free plan, which is more than sufficient for what you may need in most cases. As you can see, depending on the image you want to generate, some amount of credits will be deducted on each generation. I've created a prompt with the help of ChatGPT, which we will be using to generate our initial image. It simply says black woman in her 30s, with medium-length natural hair styled in twist-outs. She has almond-shaped eyes and a warm smile. Her style is chic, yet casual, favoring bold colors and patterns that complement her skin tone. She wears minimal, elegant jewelry, perhaps a pair of gold hoop earrings and a thin necklace. Let's change the aspect ratio to landscape and then make sure we set the sampling steps to 25 or lower for our free account. We'll also increase the resolution from the default. Let's select 2x and then click Generate. Let's check out the results. This image looks great. So now, let's use this image as a reference to create different variations. The first thing you need to do is to hover over the image and then select Remix. Now, I will add some additional prompts to the existing one. The added prompt says she is sitting comfortably in a cozy armchair by a window with soft, natural light pouring in. She's engrossed in a thick novel, her warm smile reflecting a moment of joy or amusement found in the story. A cup of tea sits on a small table beside her. Then we'll scroll down and where it says Seed, we will select Click to use current image seed. Now we can click Generate to generate our next image. As you can see, our next image shows our character reading her novel with a cup of tea on the table and soft natural light pouring in. Let's try another image. First, we'll modify the prompt we posted earlier while leaving the initial prompt for the character. Then we'll generate another image of her jogging in a park. This also looks great. Let's generate another one with our character cooking in the kitchen. As you can see, this one also looks great and keeps the design of the character. You can modify the prompt to fine-tune the image. I'm going to generate more. One where the character is painting. Unfortunately, the design for this one came out a bit weird. The character looks great, but the image in the painting has her arms sticking out, which is weird. Let's modify the prompt a little and regenerate it. Fantastic. These two images look considerably better. Now, let's create a few more images of our character. This one with the character gardening in her backyard looks fine, but the second one is a bit weird, with someone's head popping at the top right corner. Maybe a nosy neighbor or something. As you can see, we can easily create consistent characters without the need to pay for a subscription. So this is how you can create consistent characters for free. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one.